My name is Yasir Akbar Jamali. Today we talk about deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is present in our cell nucleus. DNA wrapped around the histone proteins, and histone proteins with DNA form nucleosomes, and these fibers known as chromatin, and these chromatins are a subunit of chromosomes, and chromosomes are present in nucleus. DNA is a hereditary material which transfer from parents to their offsprings. DNA is composed of nucleobases like cytosine, guanine, adenine, thymine. Cytosine pairs with guanine and adenine pairs with thymine. These two molecules are nucleobases held together by hydrogen bond, and this helix is known as helix of sugar phosphates. DNA is composed of deoxyribose sugar, and it is present in nucleus, and we called it acid due to phosphate group. And RNA is a single stranded molecule, and it is composed of cytosine, guanine, adenine, and uracil. And there is a difference between RNA and the DNA is in RNA uracil is present instead of thymine. This is a eukaryotic gene. Eukaryotic gene means a sequence of proteins, and this is Tata box which indicate a right place for the transcription. And these are the intron, exon are the regions. Introns are non-coded regions, while the exons are coded regions. Gene mutation is a permanent alteration in a DNA sequence which may lead to a changes in the amount or type of protein that a cell can produce. Like normal hemoglobin is CTT, but mutated hemoglobin CAT. Causes of mutations are sunlight, ionizing radiations, gamma rays, and alpha particles, chemical carcinogens like tobacco, smoke, coal tar, and toxins from fungi. Thank you very much.